Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. We've got some big news in the space for Fantom. Fantom has rallied 12% amid speculations of Andre Conrad returning to the DeFi. So as the broader crypto market turns green, Fantom is amongst the top gainers with 12% spike in the past 24 hours. So this is great to see. So we're going to go through some of the latest updates within the Fantom blockchain. And these are the latest updates that were published on the 9th of May this year. So this is going to be quite interesting. Now, before we continue, allow me to declare that this video is not financial advice. It's strictly for educational purposes and for entertainment. Right now, Fantom price is 49 cents, almost 50 cents per token. It currently sits at 49th in the world of all crypto. This is based on market cap 1.2 billion, almost 1.3 billion actually. In the last 24 hours alone, it's gone from as low as 41 cents to as high as 51 cents. So that's quite significant. And if you look further than that, you look at the last 7 days, Fantom was 30 cents per coin on the 19th of May this month. Really fascinating just how much growth it's been through in the last few days. So let's go through some of the updates. What have we got? So 30% of Fantom transaction fees get burnt forever. 30%. That's great. There's also a live stat of basically tokens being burnt forever. And this is quite interesting. It's constantly going. In fact, like 10 seconds ago, 0.1 of Fantom was burned. It's going really fast. There's constantly Fantom tokens being burnt. And this is just helping to drive up the price of the token. So Fantom on Fire Monitor, the total amount of Fantom burnt, 70% of the fees paid to Opera Network go to the validators. The remaining 30% are burnt forever. And I remember seeing like 1.3% of Fantom being burnt. One token, 0.3 being burnt, just randomly. So it all depends on how much you value this token. Now some more information. Governance vote adjusts minimum validator self-stake. The current governance protocol suggests to decrease the minimum self-stake amount needed to run a validator's node. So you can get your voice in by voting in the upgrade fWallet. That's the Fantom wallet. And also in Formula 1 news, and I am a Formula 1 fan, driver Pierre Gasly drops a racing helmet NFT. That's pretty bloody cool. I didn't see this actually, but I'm actually really interested in this. For one, I am a Formula 1 fan, so just to see this, it's actually quite cool. Okay, so that's the helmet, and it's being sold for 12,500 Fantom coins. That's $6,222 US. Wow. That's incredible. It's a unique one-of-one NFT, and it's going to be interesting to see how this sells, because I think Pierre Gasly is probably the first Formula 1 driver to be selling one of his own NFTs. So that's pretty good. He also has another NFT from Monza 2020. That's his race win. Now we will be doing a price analysis and price prediction of this token today. We did get some information from the article. So let's go through the article a little bit. The article from Decrypt. So Fantom is also up an impressive 45% over the last 7 days, making it the top performance crypto amongst its industry top 100 largest assets. That's incredible. Out of all the top 100 cryptos in the world, Fantom is the only one to see a 45% increase on value and price overall. That's really unique. So this is going to be good for helping us conduct price analysis. 1 month ago, the price was $1.12. So Fantom has a lot to live up to right now, because it's less than half its price 1 month ago. The entire crypto market was obviously struggling, so we're not gonna take that too personal. So recently, Cronji was spotted on GitHub working on Mint Protocol Fantom platform for minting fUSD, the blockchain native stablecoin that suffered a significant depegging in the past few weeks. We now know that Andre Conrad released the Fantom fUSD optimizer protocol. AC Address has recently added nearly 100 million Fantom token, which is considered to be returning to Fantom. fUSD suffered a severe depegging, as we know, as I've said in this article. But really and truly, none of this is really important to my video today. We just want to focus on the recent updates. This is a liquidity aggregator named Orion Protocol. and its integrated Fantom, Orion acts as a meta-aggregator to access and connect to liquidity, order book depths and trading pairs access to CEXs, and swap pools like Binance, Kucoin, AscendEX, and many more. So there are plenty more to go through, and additionally they're adding that over 5 million Fantom tokens have been burnt. Well, actually on the live graph we were looking at earlier, what was it, 6.5 or 6.7 million that have been burnt so far and is currently being burnt actively. So that is some of our updates for Fantom. There's plenty more to go through, but we want to keep this video nice and short and sweet. There's also an update from today. Actually, this was launched today. We will discuss this in our next video, but for now what we want to do is our price analysis. So let's get to our price analysis, shall we? So let's do our price analysis on TradingView. So we can see that we've got a strong resistance just around 25 cents for the Fantom token. Really strong resistance, and right now we're in the recovery stage, which is really good. We've got a huge breakout. There's a huge breakout around the 12th to the 13th. And ever since then, it's been on an upward trajectory overall, which is good to see. What we're going to do, we're going to mark this up. So we had a great breakout just there. Additionally, I do believe we had a few more breakouts, because at this point, and this was today, the price was 42 cents, but we had a huge breakout right there. And this was significant because this helped the price rose to as high as 50 cents, which is really impressive. You can definitely describe that as a breakout. But our first move to get to the $40 mark was actually right there. It was actually around the 21st of May, which was quite significant. That was our first breakout into the 40 cents mark. So it is going to be interesting to see if Fantom can continue to recover, because we are in the recovery stage. And I do believe this is a really reasonable price of Fantom. Anywhere above 40 cents is a really reasonable price. And that's right now in the market, because obviously we've known Fantom to be as high as $3, $3.40. We've known it to be that high. So we also understand that this is heavily undervalued. So eventually we can get back to $1, $2, $3 eventually, but that's, I'd say, within the next bull run, because right now a lot of things in the market are just undervalued and underappreciated because people are kind of scared, especially after what happened to Terra. You know, people are kind of freaked out, but I'd say Fantom is doing particularly well right now. We can definitely expect probably even 60 cents to 70 cents within the next few days, if not week. It's got the momentum right now, and that's my clear reason for believing it can get back to 60, 70 cents in less than a week perhaps. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more, and I will see you in my next video.